Did you know that even a small kitchen remodel can increase your home's value by up to 80% of what you spent? Imagine boosting your property's worth with just a few strategic updates. Stick around and I'll show you the secrets to maximizing your home's value very quickly. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most impactful topics for homeowners: how to boost your home's value fast through smart renovations. Whether you're preparing to sell or just wanting to enhance your living space, making the right improvements can significantly increase your property's worth. But where do you even start? What updates will give you the best return on your investment? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which renovations are worth your time and money. Let's be honest. Home renovations can be super overwhelming. Many homeowners face challenges when trying to increase their home value, from sticking to a tight budget to figuring out which updates are actually worthwhile. It's easy to get lost in the myriad of options, or worse, spend a fortune on a renovation that doesn't end up paying off. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to break down the most effective strategies to maximize your home's value without breaking the bank. Now let's dive in to the meat of this video: specific renovation strategies that can enhance your home's value. Here are 10 key areas to focus on. Number one is kitchen updates. The kitchen is always the heart of the home, and updating it can offer one of the highest returns. Simple changes like refacing cabinets, updating appliances, or installing a new backsplash can make a huge difference. But here's a pro tip: consider inviting a realtor or an interior designer over for about an hour to check out your kitchen. For less than $100, you can get expert advice on the most impactful changes that you should make. They might suggest something as simple as changing the hardware on your cabinets or adding a fresh coat of paint, which could significantly impact your kitchen's appeal. Number two is bathroom remodels. A clean, modern bathroom is a very good selling point. Consider updating the fixtures, adding a double vanity, or installing a walk-in shower. Even small changes like new lighting or fresh grout can elevate the space. And speaking of small changes, even if you can't afford a full remodel, replacing outdated wallpaper or updating old lighting is going to make a very noticeable difference. You might even consider adding energy efficient fixtures like a new ceiling fan, which provides both functionality and style while also being attractive to potential buyers. Number three is curb appeal. First impressions really do matter. Investing in landscaping, repainting the front door, or even something as simple as adding new house numbers can make your home stand out. Start small by cleaning up the lawn, trimming any overgrown bushes, and keeping the grass tidy. A few $100s spent on lawn maintenance can instantly upgrade your curb appeal. If you're thinking long-term, planting a tree is another great option. Not only does it add beauty, but a mature tree can also reduce cooling costs by providing shade, making your home more energy efficient and appealing. Number four is energy efficient windows. Replacing old windows with energy efficient ones not only improves comfort, but also appeals to buyers looking to save on utility bills, which I think is going to be about anyone. And here's a tip that will not break the bank: check with your local utility company about a free audit. They can identify ways to improve your home's efficiency, which might include upgrading windows or adding insulation, both of which are going to increase your home's value and reduce energy costs. Number five is open concept living. If your home feels cramped, consider knocking down a non-load bearing wall, which will help to create that open floor plan. This is going to make the space feel so much larger and more inviting. But remember, not every home needs a major renovation to feel more spacious. Simply removing heavy drapes and replacing them with blinds or shutters can allow more light into a room, which instantly is going to make that room feel brighter and bigger. You can also visually expand a room by adding a large mirror or just decluttering the space. Number 6 is smart home features. Adding smart thermostats, lighting, or security systems can make your home more attractive to the tech-savvy buyers. These updates do not have to be expensive. Even on a budget, you can integrate smart technology that adds both convenience and value. And don't forget about air quality. If you have older carpets, they could be harboring allergens. Consider replacing them with hard surface floors, which is easier to maintain and more appealing to buyers. Which brings me to number 7, hardwood flooring. Buyers love hardwood floors. If your home has old carpet, consider replacing it with hardwood or even high quality laminate. This upgrade not only modernizes your home, but also adds a significant amount of value. If replacing the flooring is completely out of your budget, another option is to have your carpets professionally cleaned. Or if they're particularly outdated, consider replacing just some of the worn areas. Number 8 is a finished basement. Turning an unfinished basement into a living space can add significant square footage to your home, which is going to increase the value. This can be a major project, but it doesn't always have to be. You can start by improving your air quality, adding insulation, or installing energy efficient lighting. These small steps can make the space seem more livable and inviting without requiring a full-on renovation. Number 9 is fresh paint. A fresh coat of paint is one of the most cost-effective ways to update your home. Make sure to stick to neutral colors to appeal to the widest range of buyers. Paint is relatively inexpensive, and you can make a big impact with just a few gallons. It's a great DIY project that can instantly update any room and boost your home's appeal. And finally, number 10 is outdoor living space. Creating an outdoor oasis with a deck or a patio, or even just a well-maintained lawn can increase your home's appeal and value. Don't underestimate the power of small, low-maintenance landscaping updates, like planting drought-resistant shrubs or adding some colorful flowers. These simple touches can make your outdoor space a lot more inviting without requiring constant upkeep. So there you have it. Those are my 10 renovation strategies that can quickly boost your home's value. But does every homeowner need to tackle all of these projects? Not necessarily. The key is to assess your home's current situation and market value. Start by inviting a realtor, interior designer, home inspector to come over and evaluate your property. They can point out areas that need attention and help you to decide which renovations will offer the best return on investment. Sometimes your home might already be in great shape, and it could be more advantageous to sell as is rather than investing in unnecessary updates. Remember, not all renovations are created equal. Some updates might be crucial to attracting buyers in your market, while others might just be more of a personal preference. The important takeaway is to be strategic. Focus on the changes that will truly enhance your home's value and appeal to potential buyers. Before you decide on any renovations, consider your budget, your timeline of when you're wanting to sell, and the current market conditions in your area. By doing so, you'll ensure that any money that you spend on updates will be well worth it when it comes time to sell. And finally, don't forget to consult with your professionals. I can't stress this enough, you need to make sure to get tailored advice for your specific situation. With the right approach, you can boost your home's value effectively and make a smart and profitable sale when the time comes. Now I want to hear from you. Have you recently renovated your home? What updates did you make and how did they affect your home's value? Share your experiences in the comment section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos for more home improvement tips and real estate in the Kansas City area. Thanks for watching.